Walk with me, my friends. Let's head on down to the shop because I got a really cool tip trick I want to show you with a pencil. Yes, that's right. It's Tool Tip Tuesday. It's Tool Tip Tuesday. Yeah! Tool Tip free. Yeah! It is Tool Tip Tuesday, and I got a tool tip for your pencil if you're a carpenter, mechanic, whatever. Anybody that uses a pencil during their working day. This trick is so cool that your brain may literally melt. Help, this tip was so cool my brain is melting. And that's not real nice like. And I'm gonna show it to you in under 2 minutes. Start the timer. Now I usually use regular pencils, but if you use a carpenter pencil, it doesn't matter. Whatever pencil you are using, as long as it's not a pen, this will work. All right, now you can really use this on any application, but say that I have two pieces of wood that are bolted or glued down to something else, and I need to be able to measure out underneath this piece of wood right here. I don't want to come up on top and just estimate where I'm at with that. And unfortunately, because this is a flat piece of tabletop right here, I can't get my pencil underneath all that great, and I might struggle. And now I'm going to use my miter saw, and don't worry, if you're not a carpenter, you're in a different trade, and you don't have a miter saw, you can use any saw, such as a pull saw, whatever. But we're gonna slice and dice this pencil real quick. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my pencil, I'm gonna cut it at a 45-degree angle. We're only gonna take about 1 inch off the tip. Ow. Whoop, there it goes. So now you can see I have my 45-degree cut on the tip and a 45-degree cut on the pencil here. You know what, hold up. I'm only gonna show you the rest if you get subscribed and hit that bell notification. Super glue. Now all you have to do is add a little bit of super glue on this end of the pencil. You don't gotta go crazy, just enough to make it moist. Moist. Now all you gotta do is attach them like so. And basically just let it dry like this for a couple minutes, like so. And now you got that same piece of wood with the same problem you had, but with a different setup on your pencil. Check this out. Boom. A brain melting tip in all under 2 minutes. So there you go, all. If you have issues, maybe getting into tighter areas, you want to mark off certain things in your cabinetry making or woodworking projects, and you just don't have the room to get that pencil up underneath there, well, now you do because of Tool Tip Tuesday. And that's why you want to get subscribed, hit that bell notification, and possibly you could smash that like button if this helped you at all. We're going to have another cool tip for you every single Tuesday right here on the Tool Review Zone channel. So I hope you stick around for that. Now, let me know what you think about this tip on Tool Tip Tuesday. Have you ever done anything like this before, or is this something that melted your brain? I love hearing your feedback. It always interests me to hear what you think. Now, if you have a cool tool tip that you might know that others don't, leave me a comment in the comment section. Let us know about it. And if it's cool enough, I might pick that tip. I'll give you full credit for it. I'll give you a shout out on the channel in that video, and I will show the world your tip. I always appreciate you stopping by, and with that, we'll be back with more videos soon.